Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to this video. It's a modern Christmas makeup look. It's basically this makeup look, so if you want to know how I achieved this makeup look, then keep on watching. If you hear any background noise, it's most likely the wind because we are expecting a very windy weekend. So just so that is clear, I can't do anything about it. So the first thing that I will go in with is eyeshadow, and I'm doing a cut crease because it is Christmas, we need a little drama, but I want it to be a different type of cut crease than maybe you would think of. I don't know if this is the first thing you would think of if I said red and gold cut crease. Okay, so we are going to be working with two different eyeshadow palettes, and the first one that I want to go in with is the Pens eyeshadow palette, and I want to use this gold right here. Any gold will do, but this one is one of my favorite golds, and it's again from the Pen. You wouldn't think they have a really gold eyeshadow, but this one, elite. Anyway, what I want to do is take a fluffy brush like so, and I want to take a flat brush as well, so that I can really put and make this a cut crease, because we are putting the gold in the crease and fanning it out. So don't bring it out too far down. Make sure you fan it out to your eyebrows or the end of your eyebrows. Make sure you do that. And I want to intensify it just a little bit in the inside. And what I also want to do with this gold is bring it to the inner corner of my eye, and about halfway, I would say, on the lower lash line. But the next thing that I would do is get the NYX Ultimate I Know That's Bright eyeshadow palette, and I will go in with this red one at the bottom. And for this I will use a flat brush to draw on the shape and put it to the edge of my eyelid before the upper part of my eyelid, I guess, the eyeball to where the eyeball finishes, and then bring it out and wing it out and then bring it down and bring it to the lower outer part of the lashes to the center. And I'm using a really bright red because I wanted this to be a really bright makeup look. Then I just want to use the same fluffy brush and fluff up the lower lash line just so that it's not too harsh line. It's blended, it's nice. I have zero product on the brush, by the way, just so that I don't add any more. Setting the eyeshadows aside, it's time to move on to eyeliner. And so I'm just gonna take my Dipliner Ink by H&M that looks like this and just wing the eyeliner. We already made the shape, so you should just follow this. You don't have to bring it all the way out, but just make sure it blends quite nicely in with each other and you should have it. Now I do have an eyeliner tutorial and I will try to link it up here so that you can go ahead and look at that when you're done with the video. Then it's time to put on mascara, and first I will just curl my lashes. Then I'm taking the Maybelline The Colossal mascara that looks like this. And I'm only putting this on my upper lashes. I think that will be enough. Then I just want to take an eyeliner pencil, and this one is no particular brand, but it looks like this. And I just want to put that in the outer corner of my upper waterline. Then I'm going to put on some lashes, and I'm taking the SoSu Cosmetics 7 Deadly Sins in Envy, and they look like these. They are basically 3/4 outer lash. What I'm going to do is add some mascara on the lower lashes, but only in the outer corner. Then it's time to put on some highlighter, and I am taking the NYX Strobe of Genius in the shade Gold, and you can just use a gold or champagne highlighter that you have. I just want to have something that is warm in tone, and this is a warm toned highlighter. And yes, I'm using a big fluffy brush and then a fluffy eyeshadow brush to get this done. I just want to tap it right here. I don't want to do too much, just a little tap tap. Then on the nose, of course, and then the cupid's bow last. I don't want to do anything with the inner corners. I want to leave it as is. And then it's time for lips. So the first thing that I'm going to do is line my lips, and I have this red lip liner from Primark that looks like this. This is the shade, and I'm just gonna, it doesn't have a name by the way, and so I'm just gonna line my lips. And then I'm taking my Isadora Twist Up Matte Lips Satin Soft Feel in 62 Raving Red. That looks like this. I want to add a little bit of gloss to the lips, so I'm taking the Magic Gloss from Profusion. I have no idea. It's from Ganda, I think. And it looks like this. So it's basically just a red tinted lip gloss. And the last thing that I will put on is some setting spray, and I'm taking the W7 Vitamin C Fixer that looks like this and just spraying my face. And here you have it, a modern Christmas inspired makeup look. This is what it looks like up close. If you are really wondering if the camera is not picking up the gold, I can see it in real life, I just don't know if the camera will pick it up. But this is what it looks like. I think it's fun and playful and a little bit creative and dramatic for Christmas. I think Christmas is a time where you can definitely do a lot with makeup and be a little crazy and creative, and nobody would judge you. They would just think you love Christmas and that you love fun. And so that is all I have for you today, and if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and a comment down below, and if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and a notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. And to all of my subscribers, everybody who likes and comments, thank you so much. I love you guys and I love the feedback and the love that you give me, so thank you so much. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.